I am making an app to end doom scrolling. At least that's what I've been trying to do for the last 127 days. Today's day 127. I've made some videos on this before, but I'm going to repeat it today. We're making progress. Things are happening. People are getting help, I think, because they're telling me they are. And I'm pretty excited today to just say that I've been making steady progress. That's pretty much all you can do, really. Like, if you want the future to be better, you got to do it today. You got to do your best today. But yeah, so today's a build log. Today we are building most recently I added some things, and I'm going to tell you how the heck this app works right now. And here's the main message we're trying to do. We're trying to end doom scrolling by replacing it with something different, a refocus. Usually apps that try to end doom scrolling or take you away off of scrolling, they block the apps. They do all these sort of things to get you to stop doing the thing you don't want to do. But what I'm trying to do here, and this is a screenshot from today that I posted, just adding more ways to celebrate your wins. I think that's important. But what's more important, I think, is not blocking the applications necessarily. It's finding a better focus or reframing your entire brain to like doing things that maybe you now think are hard but could think are actually fun. Work turns into play, things are more interesting, and you do things that better yourself naturally, you gravitate towards those things rather than opening apps that probably won't. This is not to say you're going to become someone new overnight, although you can. It's just very hard. And it's hard because it's worth it. That's kind of how things go, it seems. And right now, that's what I've been saying to myself too, building this app. It's been hard. I wanted to quit like 7 times. I didn't want to learn how to code really ever because that's a lot of learning and strain and struggle. But I did it anyways because I know that if I'm going to get anything done, I'm going to help anyone, I have to endure that type of struggle. I have to do something hard, which actually turns out to be a lot of fun. It's weird. It's ironic. Been adding just little bits and pieces of love into the app, and I think it's been coming out really good. Right now, we're at the point where we're just waiting for Apple review. Google Play Store has a testing period that you have to do if you're a first time developer. So I'm going through that right now. We're about 8 days into the test out of 14, and then it can be published or put into review for publish. So Android and iOS will be out hopefully next week. That's the goal. The web app does work, but obviously the mobile app is going to be better. It's going to be the main focus as people who are doom scrolling aren't so much on their computer as much as they are on their phones. So that's where we're going to have to help the most. I did spend 3 months making the web app version and learning how to code, only to learn how to code in mobile. But yeah, also something, if you want to see the app and what it looks like right now, I'm just logging this too because I want to be able to look back on it. That's my face. But I posted a video today. I'm just going to see here. Basically, I'm showcasing the app in this video. I do this every day to get people noticing. And yeah, this is how it works. You find things you're interested in, you explore, you add them to your curiosity list, and you can generate a plan. This plan then gives you actionable steps you can take. And the idea is you take these steps rather than scrolling. You do something productive, and then slowly and surely you take the first step. And even just one step could mean a lot because you take this step and you realize you can actually do a lot of things that you probably think you couldn't do. Then you can log it, make progress, look back on your progress, and do it again. So people are building up their own confidence. They're realizing they're much more capable than they thought initially, and they're trying things they're actually genuinely interested in. This is the approach I'm taking with trying to end doom scrolling. It's really just trying to refocus for better things, things you actually want out of life, and go that way, right? So that's the idea. We're making good progress. By we, I mean it's just me in my mom's basement. If you want to support me, you don't have to follow me anywhere. You don't have to watch any of my content. If you want to support me, just tell your friends, right? Tell your family and use the app when it's out if it helps you. If it doesn't help you and you think it's taking up your time, by all means, go another direction. There's going to be resources on the app that I've made and other things that I think are very, very helpful. If I can figure out how this works. I don't know what I just did. So yeah, that's how we're going today. I'm making an app to end doom scrolling, destroy TikTok, etc., etc. And it's been going. We've been helping people. It feels really good. It has been hard. It has been a struggle, but I think the best things in life kind of are that way, and it's intentional. So yeah, go struggle, go be curious, create cool shit. Buy my books down in the description if you want. You don't have to, but reading does seem to be a much more productive form of consumption if you're gonna pick one. Reading is really good for getting the juices flowing and getting your first foot into the door. Anyways, read, write, love, encourage, create cool shit, etc., etc. Have a great day. Love yourself. And yeah, one final question for today is, what do you actually want out of life? All right, I'll leave you with that. See you later. Peace.